Do you ever look at some beautifully sculpted detail like this and think, oh fuck, that's gonna take me all day to paint? Well, that was Parker this morning, so he started playing around with a technique to drastically reduce this workload, and I knew I had to come and tell you all. So for this outfit, the recessed parts are a gold detailing on her jacket. He started by painting these in all over with his mixed gold metallic, not stressing about how neat it's looking, but roughly keeping to the recessed areas. Then he would cover a sponge with black paint and began to gently press the raised areas. He used the flat side of a beauty blender, yes, that's what they're actually called, and had it fairly well loaded with paint, but the press was quite gentle. He repeated this process until coverage was as desired, and this leaves the raised section painted black with the gold recesses untouched, creating a lovely neat look to all of this detailing. This is the first time he's done this, so he may touch in a couple of spots to neaten up even more, but hopefully the more he plays around with this, the less that will become necessary. Also important to note that we follow a process of using a filler primer and then 2 coats of acrylic primer before getting to the underpainting stage. Before Parker came up with this idea, he had already done all of this and it lessened the depth of the recesses, so definitely recommend trying this technique straight onto the first layer of primer to keep those details crisp. Usually he enjoys freehand, so he doesn't mind if they're filled in, but this one looked just a little bit too much. Anyway, I hope you found this useful and let us know if you try it out.